Alright, part 3 on this awesome trail. I want to get up here to the top though. This place is absolutely beautiful. Right here in the middle of town. Kind of like tucked away. About 8 o'clock. And this is a sweet little meadow. So you can see it down. You never know what you'll find.